Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at what we consider to be the best Fox Farm Hydroponic Nutrient supplement on the market. General Hydroponics CALiMAGic 100. If you're into hydroponics, soil gardening, cocoa core, or just want to eliminate some of the most frustrating deficiencies your plants can face, this product might become a staple in your nutrient regimen. Let's get right into it. At first glance, CALiMAGic might look like just another additive. But under the hood, it's a finely tuned blend of calcium and magnesium, two essential secondary macronutrients that often get overlooked. These aren't the headline NPK numbers you see on fertilizers, but they're absolutely vital for healthy plant structure and function. CALiMAGic brings calcium and magnesium in a 100 NPK formulation, which means it's nitrogen heavy with no phosphorus or potassium, making it ideal to supplement your main nutrient feed without messing up the balance. One of the biggest reasons growers swear by CALiMAGic is its ability to prevent two major issues: blossom end rot and tip burn. Blossom end rot is especially common in tomatoes and peppers, while tip burn can ruin leafy greens. Both are usually caused by calcium deficiencies, and this product directly targets that. The addition of magnesium, meanwhile, helps boost chlorophyll production, the green pigment responsible for photosynthesis. That means more energy, stronger growth, and healthier plants. But it's not just what's inside the bottle, it's how clean and soluble the formulation is. CALiMAGic dissolves easily in water and doesn't leave residue in your reservoir or clog your irrigation lines. That's a big win, especially for hydroponic systems where buildup can be a huge headache. It's compatible with other nutrient lines, including General Hydroponics' own Flora series, and it's just as effective in cocoa, hydroponics, or traditional soil. Whether you're a seasoned grower or just starting out, this supplement is plug and play. You can use it as a preventive measure or to correct visible deficiencies. If your plants are showing yellowing between veins, stunted growth, or weird curling leaves, magnesium or calcium deficiency might be the issue, and CALiMAGic could be the answer. Another thing we love is the flexibility. It's available in different sizes, but even the 1-quart bottle goes a long way. A little bit mixed into your feed water can cover a lot of ground. Plus, because it's a liquid concentrate, it's easy to measure and mix. You're not dealing with powders, sediment, or complicated mixing instructions. CALiMAGic is also great when used as a foliar spray in emergency situations. When your plant's root system isn't absorbing nutrients properly, spraying a diluted solution directly on the leaves can help give them a quick boost, though this should always be done with care and under the right lighting conditions. In summary, CALiMAGic isn't just a calcium-magnesium supplement. It's a precision tool for growers who want control, consistency, and clean results. If you've been battling unpredictable deficiencies, yellowing, or fruit issues, this product has the potential to stabilize your grow and bring out the full genetic potential of your plants. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the tools and nutrients that can make or break your garden. See you next time.